Welcome to the Tradigital Classroom at Southeast. A Tradigital classroom is an environment where the best practices of technology and traditional learning come together. Think back over your past experience in learning. Have you ever forgotten an assignment or tried to work on homework only to realize you left your books at school or you don't remember what you were supposed to do? Do you learn best by watching something being done and then practicing it yourself? Then Tradigital learning might be for you. Most high school classes look like this. Students sit in rows and the teacher stands at the front of the room and lectures, usually using a PowerPoint presentation. Students have little interaction with the content being covered, but are expected to take notes and understand what the teacher's talking about. In the traditional classroom, students can have trouble focusing on the content or topic of the class. Their minds tend to wander, and they find their thoughts straying from the teacher to thinking about what they're going to eat at lunch or who they're going to text after class. When distractions occur, students can be left wondering what they missed, or they may believe they know what the assignment is, only to discover later they missed a vital piece of information. In addition, high school students attend several different classes a day, and each class is a different content area, and if you don't take good notes or write things down, you will be confused when it comes to doing homework later that evening. Another issue for students is having an after-school job or participating in drama or sports or other activities. After spending all day at school, a student arrives home and may have to complete certain chores such as feeding pets, doing housework, helping prepare supper, or setting the table. Finally, the student sits down to work on homework and realizes that he or she doesn't remember all the instructions for the assignment or discovers that a necessary book or paper was left at school. This leads to frustration, stress, and lower grades. Tradigital learning helps the student connect the classroom with home by giving you access to information and assignments via the internet. We will use SchoolFusion, Edmodo, a Google account, and other technology. The Tradigital classroom flips learning by giving short 5 to 10 minute video assignments followed by either practice exercises or Cornell notes over the video and a question for class discussion the next day. This is your homework. Students can pause, rewind, or watch videos over and over to help them learn the content. Then the next day, we will have small group discussions and activities that focus on what was covered in the video. The teacher visits each group to help with questions or confusing ideas. Then you work on the assignment that builds on what you learned from the video and discussion. In other words, you do homework in class. The Tradigital classroom strategy helps students feel more prepared and more confident about what they are learning. Videos can be viewed numerous times to reinforce learning, and students will complete assignments at a higher rate. Units of study for this class will start with a grammar review. This unit will include parts of speech and videos for reviewing terms, followed by a vocabulary test and daily grammar exercises. We will also have a unit focused on reading and writing strategies and will include videos and practice exercises for discussion and skill development within groups and as individuals and learning technology. Vocabulary will be included in every unit of study. We will use Quizlet, which gives you terms and definitions and provides you with games to help you learn. Vocabulary will include words from the text we study and literary terms found on the state assessment. Writing activities are a primary element of every study unit. We will review the writing process and sentence structures, paragraphs, essay writing, and analysis and research papers. Reading activities in every unit will include strategies to use in our reading of short stories, poetry, nonfiction, articles, and novels. We will focus on comprehension, analysis, and collecting research. Every unit will begin with a unit overview, which will be reviewed in class at covering assignments and due dates. Assignments and video links will appear on Edmodo, and research with an oral presentation will conclude each unit of study. Projects will take the form of one-pagers, paper slide videos, oral presentations, and other options, and can be individual, partner-based, or group-generated. So what are the expected benefits to the learning in the Tradigital classroom? Students can rewind and review videos to enhance their learning. They receive one-on-one help with assignments during class. They improve their reading and writing skills. They learn how to use technology as a tool. And they experience success in the classroom by being able to practice their skills with support. Now for your first assignment. Take out a sheet of paper and put this heading at the top left-hand corner of your paper.
created using Powtoon.